Blueberries, you always associate it with sweet dishes, but you know what? They actually go really well in savoury dishes, just like salads. I love to add a handful of blueberries just like this to a simple green salad because it's that pop of sweetness and acidity that contrasts nicely to the other crispy ingredients in this, like some fennel, I've got some onion, and I'm also going to serve it with some salty feta. It really works nicely. So I also want to make a creamy dressing to go with this, just to tie everything together, and it's going to be creamy because of the addition of some yogurt and avocado. So I need half of this avocado. I'm just going to cut that in half, and we'll scoop out that perfectly ripe flesh into a jug. I just like to do this with a stick blender because it makes it super smooth. To that, I'll add some parsley, a good handful of parsley, and stalks and all is totally fine. Smells fantastic. For some acidity, apple cider vinegar and some Greek-style yogurt goes in. We also need a good pinch of salt, some freshly cracked pepper, and a glug of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, stick blender goes in and I'll blend that until it's quite smooth. All right, this is looking extremely lush, but it's quite thick for a dressing, so I'm just going to add a splash of water, tiny bit, and I'll blend again. All right, that looks really good. Do have a taste of it just to check the seasoning. You could also add some garlic to this. I've left it out because I'm adding some onion. It is so creamy, but really light at the same time. All right, into this bowl, we're going to add some cos lettuce. Just going to cut the base off. And I just want the really tiny little leaves in the center. Place that over there. I'm gonna cut that in half. And we'll pop that into the bowl. You want quite robust leaves like this so it can really stand up to that thick style dressing. I'll add some fennel, crunchy fennel. I'm using a mandolin to finely slice it. Just be really careful with the mandolin. Okay, and that can go in. Sprinkle that in along with some onion. Got some red onion. I just love the purple. That's going to go so nicely with our blueberries and our blueberries. Look at these plump, fresh blueberries. I just love them. I'm not going to cut them in half. I'm going to leave them whole. Our feta. Crumble the feta in. I'll add some to this and also to the top of the salad. Okay, dressing. Drizzle that over. Just start with a few spoonfuls, toss everything together and see if it needs some more. And I like to get my hands in here just to gently coat it so nothing gets crushed. That's looking good. All right, let's plate this up. I'm going to grab 2 spoons and we'll pile up some of the leaves and get some of that onion. And this is a salad that would go so beautifully with some grilled fish and some grilled chicken. It's actually quite hearty with the addition of that feta. I'm also going to add some almonds to this too. Okay, last little bit here, over the top. And just to really show off that it's all about the blueberries. I've got a few little sneaky ones here. We'll pop them in and around the dish. Final flourish of feta over the top, just to really have that contrast of colours, and some toasted almonds over the top. What a delicious salad. It's not your average salad, is it? That combination of the acidic and sweet blueberries, really fresh blueberries for this. The pop and crunch of them are going to go so nicely with that salty feta. You've got to try that one. It is just incredible.